Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make see-through text in Canva. Basically it is known as transparent text, right? So for example, right now as you can see we have just selected a blank image template in Canva, right? We are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add an image. So for example, I have clicked on elements in the left side and here what you want, I just want pizza, right? I just want to add the image of pizza. These are very much delicious. Okay, so we have selected this, the ala pala pizza. Okay, now we are going to click on triple dot and then set image as background. Okay, now we are just going to select the text and here we are just going to add a heading and write pizza. Okay, we have written pizza over it and now we are just going to change the font. Sir, which font you like? I don't know about the font, but I like the pizza, right? So let us select the League Spartan or Archivo Black. Let me increase it from size. Okay, we have written pizza and now we are going to change its color to white and now we are going to click on effects and then we are going to add glow or drop. So drop feature is good. Okay, we have added a drop and we can remove the blurriness, we can increase the offset, so it's looking nice. Thank you so much. Right now we are going to add transparency, right? So for adding transparency we will click over here and as you can see this is the see-through image, right? You can add see-through text in Canva and as you can see the cheese behind the pizza is getting displayed and it is too much delicious. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.